Thinking about the best crypto trading platform where you can trade over 3,800 crypto assets and also earn cryptocurrency for free? I present to you Gate.io. Gate.io is a centralized trading platform where users can buy, sell, and trade digital assets. It supports over 3,800 cryptocurrencies with over 3,600 trading pays. It also has about 500 contract trading pays, making it one of the largest cryptocurrency trading platform in the whole world with over 21 million users globally. Thinking about a crypto trading platform where you can earn cryptocurrency for free without having to trade or without having to risk your assets, then Gate.io is the way forward. The exchange has a variety of trading features like spot trading, margin trading, options, derivative, and future trading. It doesn't just end here, it has more features like lending, staking, trading bots, Web3 with NFT ecosystem, decentralized application, and even more. Without wasting much time, guys, let me show you the ways through which you can earn for free right there on the Gate.io trading platform. I'll be showing you guys some other ways that you can earn for free without having to do anything, and so many other features that nobody may have ever told you about that is there on Gate.io exchange that people are actually ripping from secretly. So if you're a new user who haven't yet got yourself a Gate.io account, simply use the customized link on the video description box to create yourself a Gate.io account and enjoy a free $5 trading fee rebate after creating yourself an account. But before we jump into that, guys, let me show you how you can be able to get yourself an account, and also let me show you the processes involved on verifying your account. So without talking much, guys, let's now dive in. Let me show you all you need to do right now. So this is how it's going to be looking like once you are done, and over here you can see you need to either sign up or log in. You can only log in if you already have an account, but because we are creating a new account, so I will go ahead and click on sign up right now. Okay, so coming over here to sign up, there is something you need to take note of right here. You can either create account using your email or your phone number, and over here you also need to input your password. Automatically your country is going to be detected. Then you make sure you check this box right here to actually agree to the agreement and privacy policy. Over here, guys, you can see sign up in just 1 minute to unlock 10,000 in welcome reward. All right, so right now immediately I'm going to be imputing my email here immediately. Then I have to set up my password immediately as well, and immediately that is done, then I will go ahead and click on sign up like this. Okay, to be able to proceed, you need to take note of this, that you need to drag this until it fits into this place that we have. You can see the shape right there. You make sure that it fits in it, and once you just put it right there, then you have now passed this verification test right now. Okay, over here, guys, they are going to be sending a code to the email address that you provided. So go right down to your email address, copy the code, come over here and paste it immediately. And once you have gotten the code, you go ahead and paste it right here immediately. Then automatically this is going to be confirmed. You can see registration successful right now. Then the next thing you're going to be seeing is that they are going to be taking you to the section where you need to perform your verification. Okay, and over here, guys, you can see complete verification to claim 1,000 plus reward. So over here you are going to be given 15 days to actually do this verification, and to do this verification is very simple. So the next thing, what you need to do from here is so simply go ahead, input your first name, last name, and select your ID type. Then you input your ID number right here. So it is highly recommended that you input the same name that is written on your ID. For example, right now, checking on the types of ID available, you can either use your national ID, passport, or driver's license. So I'm going to be selecting national ID right now. Then I have to input my name right here, then input my last name and input my ID number exactly as it is shown on your ID card. Okay, and after that, guys, you can see they are going to be requiring you to snap the ID card and upload it right here. So over here, guys, you need to upload the frontal image of the ID card right here, and over here you need to turn back the back of the ID card, then snap it right here and then upload it. There are certain things that you need to take note of while trying to complete this verification, because if you do not complete the verification, you may not be able to deposit or withdraw. All right, so over here, guys, once you are snapping this, you need to make sure that the picture is straight. Okay, you need to make sure that the picture is straight and none of the part is cut out. All right, make sure you cover everything. And also you need to make sure that the picture you are snapping or the ID card you are snapping is not blurry. Make sure everything is correct. And coming over here, this is one of the most important parts. If you are using light tray to illuminate the ID card so that it will be clear, make sure that the light tray is not a kind of making part of the ID card to be more lighty than the other. So make sure that the light is well suspended on all parts of the ID card and everything is showing clearly. All right, so right now guys, I will go ahead and upload the card and go to the next step, which is of course taking a picture of myself. And immediately guys, I have been able to upload my ID, so I will click on next right now. All right, so on this next part, you are going to be prompted to take a picture of yourself. Okay, and just as you can see right now, I'm taking a picture of myself right now, even though it's captured when I'm not really ready. And over here you can see we have this message saying verifying, and in just few minutes you are going to be getting a message that your account have been successfully verified. And you can see right now it is under review, and over here guys, you can see I got a notification right now that my account is currently under review. So when I click over here guys on this button right here, you can see that immediately my account has been verified instantly. Okay, you can see how easy it is to get your account verified. Now you have been able to learn how you can be able to get a gate.io account and how you can easily verify it within just 2 minutes. Let me now show you how you can actually earn on gate.io, either in the free way or in the trading way. Categorically, there are 3 major ways to actually earn on gate.io, which the first one is actually through spot trading and future trading. But secondly, we have what we call the hodler's airdrop. Right, so to be able to get the hodler's airdrop, what you need to do is simply scroll down to the left, then you can see we have hodler's airdrop right here. You click on it. So over here on hodler's airdrop, to be able to earn here is totally free and effortless. All right, you heard it clear, effortless. To be able to earn over here, you can see some project has actually launched right here. For example, you have the Aqua, you have the Free Dog, and so on. To be able to earn here, all you need to do is to simply hold a token, or you can hold the native token of gate.io. So on 2024, G token or gate.io native token actually rose from $5 to $22 currently. And for you to be able to earn from this hodler's airdrop, all you need to do is simply hold G token or the native token of the gate.io. So over here guys, as long as you hold at least 1 GT token, which is the native token of the gate.io, you can participate for free and receive new token airdrop. All right, so the more GT you hold, the more new token you can receive. All right, so back in a couple of minutes ago, I only hold about 20 GT token, and within a month I've been able to receive about 50 USDT. Very effortless. All right, so that is basically how this hodler's airdrop works. No stress. All you have to do is simply hold G token or the native token of the gate.io crypto exchange. All right, so thirdly is what we call launch pool. You can see we have launch pool just beside the hodler airdrop. You click on it. So over here on the launch pool, it is very simple. You simply stake to earn. All right, so many staking pools with high APY, especially some which is for new users, exclusive USD staking, that is those who register within this week. All right, so if you register within this week, you stand a chance of earning what I'm about to talk about right here. All right, so some USDT pool have an APR as high as 110. That is to say that if you are holding just 1000 USDT for 5 days, you may get 20 USDT ASAP without any hassle. So over here guys, you can see we have the USDT pool right here. We have the Aqua pool right here. So what does this mean? This means that you can basically stake your USDT right here and you earn your USDT in return, and sometimes you earn the project that we are basically talking about, that you staked in. All right, so over here guys, you can stake USDT right here, you earn Aqua, and over here on WCT, you basically stake your WCT and you earn WCT in return, and sometimes you earn it through USDT. So one other thing that you need to take note of right here is that this is the time left for each launch pool right here. This means that after 6 days and 13 hours, this aqua launch pool is going to be ending, and after 3 days and 15 hours, this WCT launch pool is going to be ending, and so on. All right, so everything right here is very simple, and other ways through you can earn right here is through simple earning or through activity center. So concerning activity center, to be able to get to it, all you need to do is simply scroll down to the left, then you click on more. Once you click on more, you need to scroll down, then over here you're going to be seeing activity. Basically over here on activity, to be able to earn right here, it's quite so simple. Okay, so there are many interesting activities such as answer and win, which is when you answer a question you get to win some things. And for participating in activities such as trading, invitation, check-in, and learn. All right, so this is basically the main platform where you can earn totally free, doing nothing but just answering questions and few other stuff like that. All right, so new users can register now and get $5 trading fee rebate fee, just like I said earlier. So all you need to do to be able to get all these benefits that I'm talking about right here is simply use the link down below the video you are watching right now, create yourself an account, fund it with about $10 to $20, and start enjoying all this benefit that I just taught you how you can be able to maximize right here on this short video. So why am I emphasizing so much on this crypto exchange called Gate.io? I'm emphasizing so much on it because it is the platform that you can trust and trade seamlessly and even earn without having to put any effort. Do you also know that Gate.io are the sponsors of Oracle Red Bull in F1? So that is just the smallest of what they are. But the reason why I'm actually making this video to get you guys into Gate.io even when it is already popular is because in the coming time I'll be exposing to you guys any opportunity that I see right there on the Gate.io crypto trading platform. So if you have not yet got yourself a Gate.io account, simply use the link on the video description of this video to create yourself a Gate.io account. After that, guys, you are now ready to start earning with us. All right, so if you have not yet got yourself a Gate.io account, simply use the link right there on the video description to get $5 instantly as a trading fee rebate for new users. And also this is just the little or the smallest of what you are going to be earning for registering within these weeks that I made this video. So you're watching this video right now, congratulations. Now get yourself equipped and get ready so that immediately I drop any updates concerning Gate.io, you will pick it up immediately and get to earn without having to risk anything. All right, so thank you so much guys for watching the video, and I will talk to you guys on the next one dropping very soon. So go ahead and do what I just told you right now, and you'll be grateful that you did. Thank you, and I'll talk to you on the next video dropping very soon. Do have a lovely day, and of course, peace.